today we will delve into the Particle Pioneer airdrop, their debut innovations, which is the universal accounts and universal gas token, allows users to have a single address across all blockchains and to pay for gas on any chain after a single deposit without having to hold multiple gas tokens. And going down to how to participate in this airdrop, we are going to go to their website. The link to their website is right at the description box of this video. And next up, you are going to click on join now, and just like on my screen. And when you click on join now, next you are going to have to log in with either your socials or your wallet. I'm going to log in with my wallet, and you just do that and connect your wallet, authorize, and the next is you are going to enter your invite code. You can make use of my invite code MOV7KT to get completed on the registration. And next you are going to click on accept invite when you're done. Next up, we are going to connect our Twitter account to Particle Network. Just click on connect and you're connected, and next you click on the follow. Right there, we follow them on Twitter and we are done with the tags. When you're done, return to the Particle website and connect your Discord account, authorize, and also join their channel on Discord. Click on accept invite, and we're done. We're in your channel. Next, you return back to the Particle website and click on launch. Next, click on get party points. Now you're going to deposit Sepolia Ethereum, and you can get free FAUCETS from the Alchemy. The link to get the free FAUCETS from this website is at the description box of this video. Next, you are going to deposit an amount of your free FAUCETS of Sepolia Ethereum, and you'll be given the same value for USDG. And next, you're going to click on deposit universal gas, and that is it. You would have earned more points. You have earned a point already, and then to earn more points, you can go ahead and just do as much transactions as you can do. Get more free FAUCETS from alchemy.com and do more of the swappings, get more points, perform more deposits, invite your friends to get more points, do daily check-ins as you can see on the screen, and all the tags in front of the screen here. Once you do all of those tags, you gain points, and this is how you can gain points on the Particle testnets. Make sure you participate in Particle. Thank you so much for joining us today. See you in the next video.